Hey, what's going on?
Duck.
Duck?
We're getting that duck.
How'd that happen?
Daddy gave it.
Daddy. Alright, so I guess we need to get somebody to help us with these ducks, huh? Alright.
Cuties.
Look at them. Pick out your last one, guys. Another striped head one. Oh, he's not happy.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to record him. Hi, little cutie. Well, you're in your friend.
The one in the corner.
The one in the corner. Alright, let him get it.
In the corner.
Which one? The one?
The one in the corner, he said.
Striped head. Oh. Running away.
Here he is. There you go. Now there's two of them. You know, see, they're not as sad when there's two. Hi, guys. You're so cute. They're not happy. All right, do we have everything we need?
Yeah.
We got the feed. We got the little container thingies. You guys ready to go play with them at home?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't wait to put them in the bathtub.
All right, let's go.
Should we do a bucket so we can put them in there?
No.
I don't know. They're peepative.
They're peepative. You guys excited?
Yeah. Now we have Now Gage is going to be like, cool.
He is. He's going to be like, what in the world is happening?
Every time he comes home from school, Susie's going to have to get used to it.
Yep.
And if she goes, that's
Got your ducks?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go get in the car.
Go home. You're only saying one thing. Nope. Hello, little guy. Here, try to now to the crack. Can you see him? No, it's too dark in there. Here, look through
Can you
this.
turn on the flash? How do you turn on the flash?
You're not gonna know that. That'll glowing. Two chickens. I mean, not chickens, ducks. And they both sold. Hey guys.
You excited to get him out?
Yes, I am.
Waiting
Are
on.
they going to be on the towel?
Yeah.
We can't let them off.
You got a fuzz bunny attacking you, Sissy's blankie, or her, not her blankie, her rug. That rug sheds like crazy. That blue one we got her. Sissy went to go get newspapers to put in their makeshift little bed over there.
Pure poo.
Mm-hmm. Get that down, and then we'll get them out, okay?
They're
They'll do that all night long.
I know. Maybe if they're asleep now.
Maybe. You excited?
Mm-hmm. Are you?
Mm-hmm. It's exciting.
I just want to open it. They're so light.
Mm-hmm.
They're shaking too.
Yeah. They gotta try to stabilize when you pick that box up. That and their babies.
What does stabilize mean?
Like, get their balance.
I'm trying to see if they'll take my finger. What's that?
Curtis, can you remember? I think Curtis's was just a little bit smaller than yours.
Yeah, this one's mine. Alright, so this one's mine.
You want to hold them close. Don't let them run away. Get them close to each other. They like being close to each other because they're used to each other. Gentle, gentle.
One's out.
Well, don't let him run across the room. Make sure he stays on the blankie.
Nice try. I'm watching mine.
I'm watching mine.
Mine's just done.
Mine's that. Mine's just a little smaller.
Hi. New family members. So Elizabeth, you said you was gonna name yours what?
Melody.
Is this one Melody?
Yep.
Which one? This one right here? Which one?
one's
Oh,
Melody.
this one over here. That's Melody.
Oh.
Curtis,
There
have
you
you
go,
came up with a name for yours?
No, not yet.
Whoa, another Melody. Melody.
Mine's being smart.
Stay
not
on
going off
here.
the blankie.
No, Melody.
Melody's a runner. Ah,
It's okay.
I'm not squishing you at all.
let's hope Melody's a girl. We don't know whether these are girls or boys. We didn't know. The guy at the hi guys.
People.
The people at the thing didn't know. Hi. Hi.
I'm letting mine go around.
Hi.
Mine's trying to get off the blanket.
Hi.
Could tell that one's
You're a runner.
I'm
You're a
going
little
to
go-getter.
say- I'm going to say brain.
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 Okay.
Ew, yours pooped.
Oh my. That's why we keep them on the blankie.
Okay, I'll call mine.
Poopster.
Smart.
I'll be honest, I can't tell them
Smart.
apart.
Smarter.
How are we going to tell these things apart? They look
He's
exactly
smart.
alike.
Mine's cuter.
Mine's smart.
You might need to paint yours as toenails or something.
Yeah.
No.
We got to do something to know which one's which.
Boy.
Are you hungry? We got food for you. We got
Okay, I'll
food.
get some food.
Hi. Hi, Letty. Hi, Melody. Not really. Melody. No, Melody. I'm gonna say that.
I like that name, Elizabeth.
Says I'm
Melody.
Careful with her.
Melody. Yeah. Get up. Do it up. Yeah.
Aww.
They both went up.
That one's trying so hard. Aww.
Just don't poop, okay, buddy?
They might, but it'll wash.
Yeah.
Aw, Elizabeth, they like you.
This one's Melody. She keeps falling. Guys. Just give it all a little bit, huh? They don't even notice.
They might not know yet what it is, buddy. Just leave it there and they'll eat it.
Which one's mine?
This one. Maybe you should call him Jack.
No, that was my chickens.
So?
I was thinking about calling Dunk.
Dunk?
Because he likes to dunk his head.
Oh, yeah? Like Duncan?
No.
Oh, get him.
Which one's Dunk?
That one. I got Melody over here.
Dunk.
Okay, where's the food things?
We don't have those set up yet. We'll get them set up later, okay?
No, just for the
There,
food.
he ate some.
They'll eat it off the ground,
Melody's
honey.
eating it.
See, she's eating.
Oh, that one's. Now he took her food. Their little mouths like that.
Maybe I should have gotten a little less.
Oh, you scared. Was that Dunk or is that Melody?
That's Melody.
Melody. You scared Melody.
Hey, Dunk.
I can even track a Melody.
Dunk.
Oh no.
Melody. You know, they like the food. Look at the duck feet.
Yeah. Whoa!
You heard him poo. I was like, oh.
Yuck. That's
Yep.
ginormous on white.
Yep.
Dunk likes to dunk.
Dunk.
Melody.
Hey, say hi. Here comes Dad. There's Bubby's bus.
This is called Dunk. And this is Melody.
What's the name?
Melody.
And Dunk.
Dunk?
He eats a lot.
We call him Dunk right now. I'm not sure if that's going to be his full name, though.
Careful, Curtis. If he drops, he drops. That's all their food. That's Melody right there.
Uh-huh.
He has lighter feet.
Can you tell the difference in them?
Yeah.
Yeah, he
Dunk has lighter
light-
feet.
Dark.
So,
Dunk has, like-
are they both girls?
We don't know.
You don't know?
The guy didn't know.
And
He said-
if mine's really a boy, I'm going to name it Peter.
If mine's really
The people at the store said that they don't get enough ducks to know the difference.
Melody.
So, it's a gamble.
Melody. Melody's a runner. She
Yeah.
keeps running off this blanket onto your blanket, and we have to pull her back. That's Dunk.
Dunk doesn't like to be held. We need to train him to be held.
Well, they'll get there.
Yeah.
He likes seeing his sister. See, he beeps a lot when he thinks he's
More work. That's what I get. I come home from work, and I get more work.
Call baby Ducklings.
Are you
They pooped a lot.
excited?
Yes,
Yeah.
I am.
Oh, her nails hurt.
They do.
We got the. yeah. This is Melody right here.
It's Dunk.
Dunk?
He pooped 4 times.
Jeez. He's a dunker.
Yeah.
I called him
Oh.
Dunk. That's what
Over a
Melody
flip.
did when I was trying to put it down.
Would you just chill?
I know, Dunk.
We're gonna give him the baths later.
Yeah, you're gonna get back tonight.
I'm gonna name it Peter.
If this one turns out to be a
Peter
girl,
Duck,
I'm going to tell him.
Peter Rabbit.
I'm going to name him,
They are
Lovey.
not wanting to be held, are they?
They need to be just be handled. They've been cooped up, you know, literally.
Almost their entire life.
Pecking at you like a woodpecker. He doesn't like
Let
to
him
be
out in the
separated
backyard
from his sister.
Oh, we haven't even introduced him to Susie yet.
Can we bring Susie in
No,
now?
like they probably jump through the holes in the fence.
You have to stay with them.
Yeah, you have to stay with them.
As little as they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when they get bigger, they won't be able to go through the holes.
Melody.
Yep, we'll have to clip their wings.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, so they can't fly.
Why you
Put it-
Because a duck can fly.
I know.
When it
If you clip their wings, they can't fly.
What does that mean?
You cut the, yeah, you.
You cut their
It's
wings
just you
off?
cut the tip of their wing off is all it is.
Good. I think he got
Is that one Dunk?
I
Yeah,
think
I think
so.
Dunk is usually, he's the wildest out of the two.
Actually, Melody likes running away.
Yes, Melody likes to run.
Okay.
Melody's a runner.
Calm down there, little guy.
He doesn't like to be separated. Squeeze up the
Heart's
hole.
going to 90 to nothing.
He has separation anxiety.
Yeah, just think if you just gotten one,
Yeah,
it wouldn't have been good. They need to have a mate.
they needed two.
Let's see if they're quieter now.
Maybe you pick both of them off at once.
We got more pets in the midst of this remodel.
Nope. He hates it still.
Alright, Daddy's bringing Susie in. It'll be okay, don't freak out. Susie's really good with animals.
Susie!
Daddy's getting her, don't call her. We don't want to get Susie riled up, okay? So don't elevate your voice or get excited.
Taking a nap.
Oh, hey Susie, we got something in here for you to check out.
Hey, girl.
Susie.
She's
Oh, what is it, Susie?
yeah.
Susie?
Susie. Susie.
Don't eat the poo.
Susie.
Don't eat the poo.
What is it?
There's two. Careful, Susie, don't step on it.
And she's wagging her tail. She's got to check out and see what else has changed. What do you think, Susie?
He squalls a lot.
He does.
No, I didn't. Don't go in there. Don't go in there.
Who's this? This is Melody, your new sister.
Whoa.
She licked her lips.
Duck.
Don't go on the couch.
Stay off the couch.
Don't step on them. They're babies.
They're following her.
Susie.
They think it's her mother. Their mother.
She's another animal.
She's all kinds of excited.
Whoa. Both of them are off. Come on.
Okay, don't get crazy.
It's okay.
They're just trying to follow her. And she's like, oh my. That's a lot to take in.
Curtis, stop. You don't need to be directing Susie around.
No,
don't be
Susie,
eating nothing.
Susie, don't be eating yucky stuff.
You didn't eat that. Okay.
No, she didn't eat it. She's like, am I in trouble?
I'm happy.
No, this is your surprise, Susie, that I was talking about. Nope.
And then there's
Dunk is
another
off.
surprise.
Dunk is off. Dunk.
Bigger water jug.
We
We got two surprises. Two surprises, Susie. And here's your guys' surprise. Would you stop? He always
She hears some.
Hey, don't eat the poo!
Thinks it's a whistle.
Mm-mm. She knows what it is.
She knows what's happening. New animals.
Uh-oh.
No.
They're just wanting to follow her. They don't understand why she gets to go off and they don't. Because y'all don't control your poo.
Can we take them a bath now? Let them have a bath and...
Okay.
Come on this side and they'll walk into the water.
Let Curtis over there.
You guys ready? First bath.
If they go down into the water.
They don't like the water, I think.
Yeah.
Ew.
Susie doesn't have to come in here.
Yep, already pooed in the water.
Go figure.
Guys, you can go in the water. Nothing to be scared about.
He pooped.
See how he's shaking? They know they're in the water.
They're drinking.
She's laying in it. Or he.
No, yeah.
You like the water?
He likes it. She's like, avoid water.
No, they'll go into the water.
Should we have to put them in this side?
She's drinking it.
No, they'll get in there, buddy.
Come deeper. Come deeper. Come
There,
deeper.
he's going deeper. Oh, they realize it's deeper down there. They realize they can float.
They're floating.
Let's get one of those like little kiddie pools. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute.
That one's Melody.
That one's Melody, that's right.
Yeah, we definitely don't want to rinse this out. We have to go take a shower.
More than rinse.
I want to
I'd go ahead and hope
scrub
it.
it. Spray a little spray in there.
Oh,
You think we need more water?
They're drinking it all. That's Dunk. I've never seen Susie this active.
Well, I think
Oh,
they're trying
Susie.
to dry off a little more.
Guys.
They're trying to dry off more.
Susie, they're not going to play with you. There you go.
She just blocked me from
It's
it.
fine. She's just checking them out. They can't play with you, honey.
This
Careful,
small baby.
Susie. Careful.
No,
Susie.
Lay down.
not until they're older. Okay?
There you go.
Okay, girlie?
She's like, play with me.
Hi, cutie Curtis, you're not supposed to leave them. No, you're not. Hi, guys. Curtis. Susie, honey, you gotta stop.
Are you gonna go under the table? No? Okay.
They're gonna follow you. Nope, they're running. We'll run away now.
Trying to eat everything.
This got's to dry too.
Oh, Curtis, get him!
Guys.
Let's take him back up to the sun. Whew.
I think I
Here, hold on to him.
Which one's this?
I don't know. Mommy, I don't know which one's which.
Oh, we'll look. I can't. I have to have them side by side, babe.
Honey. I mean, not honey. Curtis.
That one's
Curtis, bring Melody.
That one's stuck. Don't. You're going don't.
We're holding down.
It's hard to tell out here, actually. Okay, put him down. Put him down. Put him down.
What is this you're holding
Good.
dunk?
I was holding down.
You could have got dunked. They're not doing much now.
They're gonna start running away again.
Not near the fence, guys. Yeah, hopefully they didn't go too far.